Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Candy Crush. First, always take a moment to understand your level's specific goals. This might involve clearing all jelly, collecting specific ingredients, or reaching a target score. Focus on clearing blockers that limit your board space, such as chocolate or frosting, to open up new opportunities for matches. Always think 2 or 3 moves ahead to maximize your impact on the board. Special candies are your best friends for achieving massive crushes. A 4-in-a-row match creates a striped candy, clearing an entire row or column. Matching 5 in an L or T shape gives you a wrapped candy, which explodes twice in a 3x3 area. The most powerful is the color bomb, formed by matching 5 candies in a row, which clears all candies of a chosen color. Combining these dramatically increases their effect. Strategic board awareness is key to continuous crushing. Don't just make the obvious match. Instead, scan the entire board for better options, especially those at the bottom. Making matches lower down creates more cascading candies, which can spontaneously form new special candies or clear more jelly without using an extra move. Aim for chain reactions, as these are excellent for clearing large sections. For ultimate crushes, master advanced combinations. Using a color bomb with a striped candy clears all candies of the chosen color, then turns them into striped candies which immediately activate, causing massive board clearing. 2 wrapped candies combined create a huge explosion, affecting a 5x5 area twice. Remember, patience is a virtue. Sometimes, waiting for that perfect move or combination can turn the tide and lead to an epic crush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.